I am China Mika Katubis, a student teacher from Norso Mabinay campus, currently taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino. Today, we're going to do the activities that are connected to the topic we watched in the last video. I hope that you are all ready and excited because these activities will help us understand and apply what we have learned. But before that, let's have first the objectives. By the end of the activities, the students will be able to create and present a poster making that shows at least 3 benefits of debriefing in learning, including examples and visuals. Analyze a classroom incident by identifying 2 strengths and 2 areas for improvement, and explain how debriefing can address challenges and enhance positive outcomes in short report. Next, categorize at least 4 sample debriefing questions: closed, open-ended, reflective, and analytical, and justify their classification with correct reasoning in writing. And last but not the least, collaborate effectively by contributing ideas, listening to peers, and presenting findings as measured through a peer or self-assessment checklist.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are you all excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This morning, we're going to do the activities that are related with our topic that we discussed last meeting, and that was all about
Debriefing after activities and lessons.
Alright, without any further ado, let's begin with our individual activity, or our first activity. Let us call this as debriefing question critic. Okay, I'll be giving you the answer sheets for you to answer. Please get 1/2 sheet of paper. Answer your questions. Alright, so as you can see in the direction, it was clearly stated there that you need to read the sample questions located in your answer sheet. And after that, identify which are closed, open-ended, analytical, or reflective. Then afterwards, explain why each question fits its category. I'll be giving you 3 minutes to finish that one. If you have any questions, just raise your hand to be recognized. One minute left. Are you done? Alright, time's up. Finish or not finish, pass your paper. Okay. Don't you worry, I'll be the one to check your answers. And let's see, or let's try if you got the correct answer. Okay, number 1, please read. Okay. Number 1 is, did you finish the task on time? What do you think is the answer?
No.
Why?
Can he answer the sample yes or no?
Alright, very good. Number 2, please read.
Okay.
What?
New idea or skill being from today's activity.
What is it? Why?
Because it implies multiple passport concepts.
Okay, thank you. Right, number 3, how did you feel when your group disagreed? And an answer it is reflective, because it makes students think about and express their personal emotions. So that is reflective. Number 4, what do you think is the answer? It's
Analytical.
Yes, because it examines reasons behind success of failure. Last number, what do you think is the answer?
Reflective.
Or it could be analytical. So there will be 2 answers, reflective or analytical, because both encourages reflection and past actions. Alright, do you think you got a perfect score?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. I'll just send you your score on the GC. Just keep updated. And since we're done with the individual activity, let us proceed with pair activity. Okay, I'll just give you the freedom to choose who do you want to be partner with. Okay? Yes, this is the first partner, second partner, and the third partner. Miss Banyaris, please sit beside your partner. Alright, I have here rolled papers, and all you have to do each Partner should pick one roll of paper. Okay, please pick. Alright, so as you have noticed, you are assigned to a specific scenario. So this activity is called strength and opportunities analysis. All you have to do is to read that classroom scenario or incident scenario together with your partner. You need to identify the two strengths and two areas for improvement in student learning. And after that, you need to discuss here in front how debriefing could enhance the positive aspects and address challenges. Okay? For you to be guided, please label, please read the rubrics. Here's the criteria for this activity: analysis, suggestions, and communication. 4, we have excellent, and support good is 3, fair 2, needs improvement 1. Alright, thank you very much. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to finish that one. Your 5 minutes start now. Yes, do you have any problem? Mom? Yes? I have a question. Okay, we will do this one. You what's the problem? You got it? Yes? Take one. Are you done? Yes. Okay, let's start with the first partner. Okay, all you have to do is first is you need to read your scenario. So, good morning everyone, here's our scenario. So students presented their group projects in front of the class. Some groups delivered well-organized presentations with visual aids, while others struggled with time management and unclear explanations. So here are the strengths of this scenario. So some groups prepared visual aids that made their presentation engaging and easy to understand.
Okay, the next one is the areas for improvement. Okay, a few groups struggle to manage their time, resulting in rush or incomplete presentation. And some explanations lack clarity, making it hard for the audience to grasp the main points.
So how debriefing helps? So debriefing can highlight effective strategies used by successful groups, such as using visuals and divided speaking roles. So it can help students reflect on how to manage time better and practice explaining ideas more clearly, preparing them for stronger presentations in the future. That we all think. Alright, let's give the first partner a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, thank you. Next, let's proceed with the next partner. Second partner.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are the pair 2. So here's the scenario. Science experiment. Students conducted an experiment. Some followed the steps correctly, but others rushed and made errors. In our strengths, students showed curiosity and enthusiasm, and then groups collaborated to set up materials. And for the areas for improvement, my partner will be the one to read it for you.
And the areas of improvement will be some groups skip instructions, leading to mistakes, limited recording of observations. How debriefing helps allows learners to analyze mistakes, reinforce the importance of following steps, and improve data accuracy and recording. That will be all. Thank you. Alright, thank you. Pair 2. Okay, let's give them 5 stumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now let's proceed to the last, but not least pair, the pair 3.
Good morning, everyone. Here is the scenario. So, I read it for you.
The teacher facilitates a well-class discussion and story. A few students actively share their thoughts, but many stay silent. Okay, for strengths, students who spoke give insightful answers. Teacher guided discussion with open-ended questions. And for the areas for improvement, unequal participation, only a few spoke. Some answers lacked depth or evidence.
Okay, and for the how debriefing helps, this encourages all students to reflect on what they could contribute, gives strategies for deeper answers, and motivates quicker students to share. That's all. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Lester. Let's give them 2 claps and 3 stars. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Alright, now let us proceed with the last activity, which is the group activity. Please count 1 to 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, all number 1, please occupy the seats at the back, and all number 2, occupy the seats in front. Okay, now let's proceed. Alright, I have here the materials that you need for your poster making. Right, number 1. Alright, for you to be guided, I will read to you the rubrics or the criteria. So the content, 4 are excellent if it is accurate, detailed, and relevant. 3 if it is mostly accurate, 2 if it is somewhat accurate, and 1 if it is inaccurate. For your creativity, 4 if highly creative and engaging, 3 if mostly creative, 2 if somewhat creative, 1 for minimal creativity, or minimal creativity. And for your presentation, 4 for clear and confident, 3 for mostly clear, 2 for somewhat clear, and 1 for unclear. I'll give you 5 minutes to do your poster making. Okay, and your time starts now. Now repeat the directions. Create a poster making showing the benefits of debriefing in learning. Include examples, key points, and visuals. After that, present and explain the poster making to the class. Okay, if you have any questions, just raise your hand. Yes? All right, direction. Okay, you may use the coloring pens that I have provided you. Okay, again, debriefing is a structured reflection that takes place after an activity or lesson, allowing both teachers and learners to process experiences, extract lessons, and identify areas for improvement. Okay? Four minutes left. Right, 3 minutes left. You may use the power crayons. Alright, 3 minutes left. Are you done?
Not yet, Mom.
Okay. Please double time. Okay, finish or not finish, please present your poster. Alright, let's start with the first group. Please proceed in front and explain the poster that you made for us.
Good morning, everyone. This is our poster we made. Is it all about? Yeah. So our poster today is all about the teacher asks. Yeah, you see that the teacher asks her student at the end of the lesson if she truly understands the lessons. So the benefits, students and teachers will identify the different areas for improvement. So through debriefing, educators can ensure that the learning goes beyond the activity itself and becomes a tool for deeper understanding and growth. That would be all. Thank you.
Alright, let's give the first group a round of applause. Right now, let's proceed with the last but not least group, which is group 2.
Good morning once again, and we are the group 2. So our poster is, this is the blackboard and the teacher, and then the students. The teacher discussed the lesson to the students, and then the students lesson. Then after the lesson, after the teacher discussed the lesson, the teacher asked the students. The teacher asked, like, did you understand, or what have you learned about the lesson? What have you learned about our lesson today? Then the students participate.
Okay, debriefing serves as a bridge between experience and learning. When students are guided to reflect, they develop critical thinking, skills, self-awareness, and the ability to evaluate their own actions and decisions. For teachers, it offers valuable insights into students' understanding, participations, and learning outcomes. Reflection through debriefing ensures that experiences become meaningful and contribute to long-term learning.
Alright, thank you. Group 2, let's give group 2 a round of applause. Okay, how's the activity?
Very enjoyable.
Alright, very good. I can attest that because of the Alright, it's okay. Your drawings are perfectly imperfect. Alright, your drawings are good. Okay, I hope that ang lahat ninyong matutunan ay babawang ninyo sa inyong mga araw-araw na pamumuhay. Okay? Alright, goodbye class!
Goodbye, and thank you, ma'am.
To sum it up, the class engaged in 3 activities focused on the importance of debriefing in learning. In the group activity, students created and presented poster that highlighted key benefits of debriefing with examples and visuals. During the pair activity, they analyzed a classroom scenario by identifying strengths and areas for improvement, then discussed how debriefing could support growth. For the individual activity, students critiqued debriefing questions, correctly categorizing them as closed, open-ended, reflective, or analytical, and provided sound justifications for their choices. In conclusion, the students actively participated and collaborated with one another, showing strong engagement in discussions and presentations. They were able to meet the objectives. This shows that the students truly listened, understood the tasks, and applied their learning effectively through teamwork and individual effort. Thank you.